Hey guys, it's Christy with WTI. If you are looking for a fun outdoor toy for your kids, you have got to check out Rocket Copters. These things are so cool. So you get 6 rockets and 3 slingshots. Super simple to use. There's hooks here. You just hook them into your rubber band, pull, let it go. But what's super cool is they have LED lights, which makes them super fun to use at night. And they also make a really cool whistling sound. Check it out. So it says that they launch up to 120 feet, and I absolutely believe it. These things go so high, it's unreal. So if you're looking for a great outdoor toy for your kids to enjoy, these Rocket Copters have been so much fun, and I think virtually any kid would love them. And that's my point of view.